Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Faye back at it again with another video. Y'all, I'm so excited for today's video, as y'all can see, because I'm coming at y'all today with the get ready with me, and I'm gonna be doing my hair, my makeup, and picking an outfit. So if you want to see how I got this look, want to know the details, want to know where I got this hair or anything like that, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, what's up? What it do? Welcome back to another video. Let's just get right into this makeup look today. So first off, I'm gonna be priming with my good old Fenty primer, and then I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox photo finish. And after that, we're gonna be moving on to foundation, y'all. I'm gonna be using my Fenty foundation today again. Y'all, I just recently realized that I need a new foundation because the winter has just made my skin lighter and your girl needs a new one. So if you're seeing that my face is a little bit darker than like my neck or my hands, and that's why. So yeah, next video I'm gonna have a new foundation. But moving on, we're gonna go on to concealer, and I'm gonna be using the Nars creamy concealer. We're gonna be moving on to our contour, and today I'm gonna be using the Fenty contour stick to define my cheekbones. Now guys, I really don't be knowing the names of all these products and stuff, but like I always do, everything is gonna be left in the description box, so make sure to check it out if you want to know like the specific of the products that I'm using. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and blend everything, make sure it looks all nice, and then we're gonna move on. So now that we're all blended, I'm gonna go in with my Mercier loose setting powder, and I think this is either in the shade dark or deep, but yeah, I'm gonna be using that to set my face today. And you guys already know the drill: under our eyes, our nose, our chin, and obviously to cut our contour. Also gonna be going in with the Kat Von D white translucent setting powder and just kind of going over my under eye with that for like a more snatched look. I feel like the white translucent powder really, does it for me. So yeah, and after that we're gonna be moving on to our eyeshadow. Now guys, I'm so excited for today's eyeshadow look. Like honestly, it's not even anything crazy, but like just the fact that we're doing some like a nude eyeshadow, and it's supposed to match the fit or whatever. I don't know if y'all see the vision, but it's gonna come together at the end. But I'm gonna go into that LA Nudist palette, and I'm gonna be starting off with that first shade, and I'm just gonna blend that shade like into the upper crease, just to warm up that crease, warm up that eye color. And then after that I'm gonna be going in with the second shade. The shade is like a more, and honestly all the colors that I'm using in this palette, they're like different shades of like nudes and brown, but yeah, the second color that I'm going in is kind of like a darker brown color, and I'm just gonna like mix that into that first color, but kind of keeping it like on the lid ish. I don't know how to explain it, but like you guys see what I'm doing, like you guys, yeah. Basically that. So yeah, we're just gonna blend that in, and then lastly I'm just gonna take this lighter nude shade, and I'm just gonna put that like on my lid, and then I'm gonna run off and do my eyeliner and my lashes. I had a minute where I was kind of contemplating if I wanted to cut the lashes because they looked too long, and I didn't end up cutting it, but then I kind of regretted it because I felt like I wanted my eyeshadow to show and the lashes were too dramatic. But anyways, let's just move on. I'm gonna go dust off our face using this MAC powder. Honestly, I've had this powder for ages. I don't even remember which one it is specifically. I think it's the Studio Fix. We're going to be moving on to bronzer. My favorite part of doing my makeup, like cheekbones instantly, like yes, snatched, all of that. And then moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some blush. Y'all know like we can't do without it, and I absolutely love this eyeshadow as a blush. I think it's like perfect on me, and I just love the way it just has my skin looking so bronzed, and especially with my highlighter, like when it all comes together. Yes. I'm also gonna go ahead and contour my nose. Oh my god, snatch nose can just pull the whole makeup together, so it's a must. We have to make sure the nose is looking snatched. Okay, girlies, and next we're gonna be moving on to highlighter, and oof, yeah, it was too much when I first put it on my face, and for me, I like a decent amount of highlighter, but that was just too much. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead, highlight our cheekbones, our chin, and I did go ahead again with the beauty sponge just to like blend the nose contour, because I don't like when it's harsh, and we don't even want no harsh makeup anyways. So yeah, next I'm gonna be lining my lips. Just a regular beauty drugstore brown lip liner will do. Honestly, you just need one in your makeup bag for sure, because brown lip liner is the go. So yeah, I'm gonna be going ahead with that lip liner, and for lippy today we're doing two colors. Okay, we're gonna go in with this NYX soft matte lip cream, and then I went in with some e.l.f. pumping gloss. I love the pumping glosses, y'all. So yeah, this is a look. I'm feeling it, of course. So now we're gonna move on and just quickly set our face, and blend everything in so that our makeup is going nowhere, like it's staying put for the day. Yeah, and guys, that brings us to the end of this makeup. Let's get into this hair now. Let's move on to this hair. I've already installed my wig, so honestly I'm just gonna be like refreshing the curls, flat ironing. It ain't really much to do, honestly. So yeah. Okay y'all, so now that we're done with our makeup and our hair, we're gonna move on to the outfit. And y'all, I can't wait for y'all to see the outfit that I picked today. Don't mind that I'm wearing my glasses. I just had to like rearrange my cameras and stuff like that because I'm gonna be standing far away from the camera to obviously show y'all this fit I got planned. So let's get into it. So right now I just have this nude long sleeve top on. Yeah, this is from, where is this from? Urban Planet. My jeans, I wanted like a light blue wash type of jeans just because of the look I'm going for, and I wanted something like really soft because I'm going to be wearing pink as well. You guys are going to see. But my jeans are from Fashion Nova. Really, really nice. Although these jeans are a little bit loose for me just because I've lost some weight, but I don't have any other light blue jeans like this, so we just gonna make this work. Now I'm gonna be pairing it with this, I don't even know what you call this. It's like a vest, like a winter vest slash coat, but without the sleeves. And can y'all see the color? It's two-toned, and I always like when I'm shopping for stuff and it's like two-tone or like it has more than one thing going on, because then you can like use that and like do multiple things with it. Okay, what, guys, I love pink so much. It's such a cute color. But yeah, and for my shoes, I'm gonna be wearing booties, guys. So these are the boots that I'm gonna be wearing, and y'all tell me if this is not just so pretty. It's like a bubblegum pink, and y'all don't even understand, like, but yeah, they're so cute. Oh my god. Alright y'all, so I've gone ahead and finished up, and this is the final look right here. For my neck, I just kept it real simple, just a simple necklace. And for my arm, I put on my favorite wristwatch. This is one that my mom gave me. I think my necklace is from Fashion Nova. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's from Fashion Nova. And on my other arm, just like a simple bracelet. Nothing crazy going on for accessories. This is what the full fit is looking like, guys. I'm in love. I can't wait to go and get some pictures in this. I know the picture's gonna come out really, really good. Where's my purse? Nah. The fit ain't complete without the purse, so I'm gonna go get my purse. Okay, y'all, so now the fit is complete because I have my purse here. And what y'all think? Are y'all rocking with this fit? I like it. I think it's really cute. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Also turn on post notifications because more videos to come, and trust, y'all don't want to miss it because it's gonna be fire. That's all I gotta say. So yeah, definitely subscribe, and thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.